This short video is to show you how to install the Zoom mobile app for your Android or iPhone device and log in using your AppState account. So we're going to begin by going to your App Store. I'm on an Android device here, so I'll go to the Play Store and I'm going to search for Zoom Cloud Meetings. It should pop up. That's the app, and there's their little icon. I've already installed it on this phone. You would just click install, let it install. When it finishes, you click open, and you'll see a sign in button. And ignore the email address and password at the top. We're going to focus down at the bottom on single sign-on in Google. You can log in with your AppState Google account. If you click the Google link, you can choose your AppState account and log in that way. You can also choose SSO, single sign-on, and you'll see the first time you come into the app it says companydomain.zoom.us. I'm going to fill in good old AppState, and we're going to click continue. And you'll see it takes you to the regular Shibboleth login that we use for everything. I'll click sign in, and then you'll see you're authenticated, and from there you can launch Zoom, and Zoom will start, and it works great. It works great on a mobile device. I can start meetings, I can join meetings, I can schedule meetings. I routinely use my phone for Zoom meetings, and I've never had any issue. I hope that helps.